Hey guys, I'm back with another laptop repair. Today we have an HP laptop. An HP laptop EliteBook i7 8 Gen CPU. The model number AX200NGW. Okay. So, this laptop comes on. As you can see, we have the backlight. Alright, and we have the caps lock flashing. Caps lock and what? Caps lock and nothing, it just stopped. Okay, but we still have the orange lights for speaker, microphone and Wi-Fi. So I can hear the fan spinning. At full speed. And that's it. So, what do you think it is? BIOS issue, firmware, well, what else? Overheating. Yeah, the fan is spinning and the air is cold. Caps lock, nope. The system seems frozen. Alright. Okay. No backlit, no. Yeah. Alright. Let's no image. Yeah. Still struggling focusing. Come on. Alright. Let's turn off the laptop and let's go inside and let's try our best to fix this laptop. We have what? We have Philips. Great. Exactly what I have on my screwdriver. Alright. Let's see. Self-retaining screws. Bah, this one is very tight. Okay. I think we will start with the basics. Remove the battery, do like a CMOS reset. If there is any BIOS battery, we're going to remove the battery. Press the power on button. And we'll check after. Maybe we can check the RAM slot. But I don't think we need to go in that direction. Yeah, we can have a check for any liquid damage. Alright, so the back cover is made of aluminium, so this is going to be hard to remove. And we need to pay attention to our fingers because you can pinch your skin very easily with this. As you can see, it's already cracking and completely refusing to come off. But yeah, we are here to repair, or at least try to repair. Okay. Any hidden screws underneath the rubber feet? Hopefully not. Okay. It's pretty stuck. Okay, I forgot. We do have the two black ones. I think on Dells you have this kind of design where you have two screws like this. This one can be removed. Nope. Yes, no. Okay, we need to pay attention. All right. Great. Let's try here. On the other side. Okay. You need to go really every centimeter here to pry this off. In theory, it should pop off now. But no, there is any hidden screws behind the stickers. Okay, so there was a hidden screw here. So the back cover is out. All right. So inside the BI is fully compact. We have the RAM, the CPU itself, the NVMe SSD right there, the battery, the Wi-Fi card, and a little bit dusty fan. We have the battery and the BIOS, as I was just thinking about. Alright, so let's remove the battery. Okay, let's remove the CMOS battery. Alright. Press the power on button for I don't know, 30 seconds. I think will be just fine. Let's connect back the CMOS battery. Let's plug back the main battery. All right. And let's check if that helped. Pressing the power on button. The laptop is on. And we have the HP logo. So, yeah, I think was very straightforward and quick repair. If you have this symptom on your laptop, HP laptop, or maybe other brands also, yeah, full fan, no screen, no image on the screen, and the system looks like it's frozen. Yeah, a BIOS firmware reset might solve the issue. Okay, guys, so I think that was a quick and easy repair. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.